Cracking the Code, the Affiliate Marketing Riddle. Welcome, brave souls, to the mystical realm of affiliate marketing, where secrets of commerce are hidden in the whispers of the wind. Hey, this is Scott with Springhill Fox. Can you solve this riddle? Hark is a young wanderer in the realm of links and clicks, where merchants and affiliates perform their tricks. Listen closely, for a marketing puzzle conceals a prosperous gain in this riddle domain. Your journey begins on the path of pixels, where banners shimmer like magical crystals. Riddle me this, adventurer, a secret to unfold. In cyberspace, it's bought and sold, the riddle unveiled. What connects the web, a merchant's delight, with a partner who dances in the moonlight? Think beyond the obvious, let your mind unfurl. For it's not just a banner, but a magical swirl. A link, a thread between seller and guide, where commissions bloom on the affiliate side. The riddle is solved, a marketing tale has beautifully evolved. And so, dear adventurer, in the realm of bytes and bits, the magic of affiliate marketing never quits. May your links be strong and your clicks be valid as you navigate this enchanted digital view. Peace out, Scott. P.S. I have some links down below to get you started.